Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Okta Verify app. First, go to your device's App Store and download the Okta Verify app. Once the installation is complete, open the app. When you open it, you will see the main screen. Here, look for the option that says Add Account. Tap on that to begin. Next, you will be asked to choose the type of account you want to add. You can select organization if you are signing in for work, school, or a company account. There is also an option for other types of accounts if needed. After selecting the account type, the app may ask if you want to add an account from another device. If you already have an account set up somewhere else, you can follow that option. If not, just tap Skip to continue. Now you will see two choices. You can scan a QR code or sign in instead. If you choose to sign in, tap on that option. Then enter your organization's URL and carefully follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If you selected the other account option earlier, the process is slightly different. You will be asked to scan a QR code or enter a key manually. If you have a QR code, scan it using your camera. If not, tap on Enter Key manually. Then type in the account name and the key provided to you. After entering the details, tap Add Account and follow the remaining steps shown on your screen. Your account will now be ready to use. Thanks for watching.